The 2008 Maruti Suzuki Alto remains one of the most loved compact cars in India, offering a perfect balance of affordability, reliability, and practicality. Even today, it is a favorite choice for people looking for a budget-friendly yet dependable vehicle. Its timeless design and strong road presence have made it a household name across the country. The exterior design of the 2008 Alto is simple, compact, and easy to maneuver in busy city traffic. Its aerodynamic shape, clean lines, and compact size make parking effortless, especially in congested urban areas. The front fascia has a modest yet neat look with clear headlamps and a small grille, adding to its charm. When you step inside the cabin of the Alto, you are greeted with a clean and practical layout. The seats are comfortable for short to medium drives, and the driving position is perfect for beginners as well as experienced drivers. The dashboard design is straightforward, with all controls within easy reach. Despite being a budget car, the build quality is reliable, making it last for years if maintained well. The 2008 Alto is powered by a 796cc petrol engine that produces around 47 bhp, paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The engine is smooth, fuel-efficient, and perfect for daily commuting. This car is well known for its mileage, delivering around 17 to 19 kmpl in city driving and even better efficiency on highways, which is why it became so popular in the Indian market. Driving the Alto is a breeze thanks to its lightweight build and easy handling. The steering is responsive, and the suspension is tuned for city comfort. Even though it's not meant for high-speed performance, it offers stable and confident driving at moderate speeds. Its compact size makes it ideal for narrow streets, tight parking spots, and heavy traffic conditions. In terms of safety, the 2008 model did not come with modern features like airbags or ABS in most variants, but its durable structure and predictable handling give a sense of security for everyday drives. For buyers at that time, safety expectations were different compared to today's standards, and the Alto fulfilled basic safety needs for city commuting. Maintenance is one of the strongest points of the Alto. Spare parts are easily available across India at low prices, and Maruti Suzuki's service network is one of the largest in the country. This means running costs are minimal, making it a top choice for people who want a low-maintenance, high-value vehicle. The 2008 Alto was available in different variants like Deluxe, LXI, and VX, giving buyers the option to choose based on their budget and preferred features. The LXI variant was popular because it came with power steering, making daily drives much more comfortable. The used market still has a large number of 2008 Alto models available for sale, especially for first-time buyers. The price for a well-maintained 2008 Maruti Suzuki Alto in today's market ranges between 120,000 rupees to 180,000 rupees in India, depending on the condition, mileage, and location. This makes it one of the most affordable cars to own even in 2025, while still offering the reliability of the Maruti brand. For people who are looking for a dependable daily driver with excellent mileage, low maintenance, and easy handling, the 2008 Alto remains a solid choice. It might not have the luxury features of modern cars, but it delivers exactly what it promises: practicality, efficiency, and affordability. Even after so many years, the Maruti Suzuki Alto has proven its value, and the 2008 model is a great example of a car that can stand the test of time. If maintained properly, it can easily serve its owner for several more years without major issues. For budget-conscious buyers, this car is a smart investment that offers peace of mind and consistent performance. Whether you are a college student, a small family, or someone who just needs a reliable second car, the 2008 Maruti Suzuki Alto is worth considering. It's a reminder that sometimes simplicity, reliability, and fuel efficiency are more important than high-tech gadgets and modern styling. The legacy of the Maruti Suzuki Alto continues even today with newer models, but the 2008 version will always have a special place in the hearts of Indian car lovers. It's proof that a well-designed, affordable car can become an icon and serve millions of happy owners for decades.